Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing my 2-strand twist and I will show you how I style it once I take it out. I will be using some Shea buttercream. You can get this at your local beauty stores from Africa's Best. I've already gone ahead and used some As I Am coconut co-wash. Also, I'll be using some Shea Moisture Style and Curl Milk rather than my leave-in conditioner. It just leaves my hair feeling moisturized more than a leave-in conditioner. So whatever you want to use, it's perfectly fine. It's up to you. That's just my preference. I will also just make sure I apply this all throughout my hair. Make sure I rub it in really good from ends to roots and just work it in as much as I possibly can. I will also keep some spray bottle handy. Also, I will make sure that I put my hair into two, not necessarily equal, but just into two separate parts. And I will make sure I clip one side back. Go ahead and section off a piece of my hair. I will apply a very generous amount of the buttercream to my hair. And as I twist, I will make sure I start from my roots and work my way to my ends. Usually once I get to my ends, I just wrap a piece of hair around my finger, around and around, and it usually leaves a little curl at the end of my hair, so it just never, comes out. As you can see, I have one side done. And my hair began to feel a little dry, so I just went ahead and wet some. Alright guys, this is my hair after the fact. I'm going to let this air dry overnight. I also want to show you guys how I do my face routine in the morning. Hey guys, before I go ahead and take my hair off, I wanted to show you all what I do to my face at least 2-3 times out the week. I use some aloe vera soothing gel that I purchased off of Amazon. I start off by wiping my face off with a nice warm washcloth just to get any dirt off of my face. And once I apply it, I usually start off with a nice generous amount and I rub it into my skin. I massage my face for about 2 minutes, but for the sake of the video, it's going to seem like it's really fast and that I didn't massage it in that long, but realistically I did. Now that I'm finished applying the gel to my face, I'm going to take a nice warm rag and gently wipe it off of my face. Just about finished wiping the gel off of my face, and now that I look at my skin, it looks and it also feels nice and refreshed. Alright guys, so this is my hair the next day. Sorry that it's sticking up. I didn't use any bobby pins to keep it held down. But I'm going to start by taking out with some argan oil. I'm going to put just a tiny bit on my fingers just to apply it through almost each of the twists. It just helps keep my hair nice and moisturized. Alright guys, so as I'm almost finished, I will usually pick out my hair using a pick. I'm not going to comb it all the way through. I'm just going to start at the roots and kind of tug on it a bit just to make my hair look really full. Now I'm going to use some Silk Elements gel to brush down my edges. Then as a finishing touch, I'm just going to pull up my hairband that I got from TJ Maxx. I think it is so cute. And then I'm also going to start plucking out my hair just to make sure it's nice and even on each side. And here you have it guys. This is my finishing touch. As you can see, I'm work ready. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching my hair and face tutorial. Bye!